Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to generate combo chart in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. In the first column, we are having year, and in the second column, we are having sales in crores. Now we want to generate the combo chart for this data. So select the data, go in Insert, click here, and make sure that you select clustered column, line on secondary axis. Select it, and your combo chart is ready. You can add elements to the charts from here. So primary horizontal, primary vertical, secondary horizontal, secondary vertical. Axis titles, primary horizontal, vertical, secondary horizontal, secondary vertical. Chart titles, above the chart, centered overlay. Data labels, centered, inside and, inside base, outside and. Data callouts, data table, with legend keys, no legend keys. Error bars, standard errors, percentage, standard deviation, grid lines, primary major horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. So depending upon your requirement, you can choose it, legend, right, top, left, bottom, trend line, linear, exponential. So you can select any one of them. Now you can select the layout from here. This layout is appropriate. The colors can be selected from here. Chart styles. Okay. So we'll keep the default chart style. Now double click on this. So you are having fill and border. Activate the fill, solid fill. Take the light color from here. Much better. Gradient fill, picture or texture, pattern fill, and last is automatic. Next, border. Solid line. So the border of this plot area, the chart area. Gradient fill, automatic. If you require a rounded corners, press this and you'll get the rounded corners. You'll be able to see if I increase the width of this line. See, the corners are rounded. Okay, so fill and border is over. Now we'll talk about effects. Shadow. Let's take this one. So shadow has appeared. What color shadow do we require? So you can see on the outer side the size of the shadow. Blur, angle, distance, glow. So you can see the glow has appeared, yellow color glow, the size of the glow. Normally, shadow and glow don't activate together, but still, for understanding purpose, I am giving you the explanation. Transparency can be increased or decreased. Now, let's talk about the soft edges. 3D format. You can select any one of them and the 3D format has appeared. Next is the size and properties. The size of the chart area, height, width. In properties, keep the things as it is. Text options. So text field, at present it's solid field, gradient field, picture or texture, pattern field. So it's related to this numbers. If you want the reflections, you can activate from here, reflections. So it gives the options: shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, 3D format, it will not give, and 3D rotation also not. It will not give. From here, the text directions can be changed 90-degree if you want. Okay, so this is over. Now I'll again bring this chart on the default settings. Now double click on this plot area. So solid field, that was a chart area. This is a plot area. So I can select this much also. I can have a different color for plot area as well as for chart area. If you want to see, I can give you the explanation of it. Double click on it, solid field, take another light color and just see. So the different color for chart area and different color for plot area. Let's proceed further. Again, double click on it. So you are having a solid field. Now, double click here. Solid field. Okay. It can be a gradient field, picture or texture, pattern field. And the last is automatic. Now we can do the settings of the border also. So solid line, increase the width of the C, the borders. Compound type, select any one of them. Dash type, if dotted is required. Cap type, round. Joint type, keep it round only. There's a fill in border for the plot area. Now select this, effects. So normally we don't use shadow and glow for the plot area, but if you want, the settings can be changed from here. Okay, let's proceed further. Now click here, the settings related to the grid line. Click it properly. Yeah, so the grid lines are selected. No line, solid line, gradient line, automatic. These are the settings for the line. Normally, we don't change anything for the grid lines. So shadow, glow, soft edges, all this is also available. Now click on this bars. Click on the peel and line, peel. If you want to change the color, you can do it from here. Done. Still any other color is possible. Yeah, this is also possible. Transparency can be increased or decreased. Gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern field. And last is automatic. Okay. We can give the border to this solid line. Change the color, make it black, increase the thickness, and now it looks quite good. Now, effects, shadow. Instead of shadow, let's pick up this time glow. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous tutorials so that you can understand the flow of this lecture series. We'll select this one. It looks quite amazing. Increase the size of the glow. Transparency can be increased or decreased. If soft edges are required, take the soft edges. If it's necessary. Okay, 3D format. You can have a 3D format here. Okay. Then let's talk about plot series on series overlap and the gap fit. Series overlap keep 0% only. It is normally for clustered charts, but keep this at 0 only. Better. Yeah, gap fit. Gap width can be increased or decreased. Now we want to do the formatting of this axis. Year and sales. Where do we want this legend? Top, bottom, left, right, top right. Now fill, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture, pattern fill, automatic. So this is fill. Again, you can do the settings for the border also. Effects, same options. You will get shadow, glow, and soft edges, and this we have already discussed. Moreover, text options are also available for text field. Again, solid field, gradient field, picture or texture field. So this was all about how to generate combo chart in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share and like my video. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You can also join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.